The All-American Flag Act, introduced by Senator Susan Collins, will soon be signed into law. The bipartisan bill requires the government to only buy flags that were made and manufactured in the United States. Collins says the bill will support both jobs and manufacturers in America. On Friday, the act was signed by the House of Representatives. The bill now heads to the president's desk to be signed into law.